This video is going to be about protein kinase receptors. Presented by Grace Sharp, Cassie Morrison, Avi Patel, and Sean Allen. A protein kinase receptor is a transmembrane protein enzyme. These enzymes are kinases. That means they add a phosphate group to a protein. The first step in the RTK sequence is when the RTK receives the signal or ligand and binds to it. Then the two RTK forge together and form a dimer. In step 3, the two RTKs in the dimer phosphorylate each other by using phosphate groups from ATP. This is called autophosphorylation. After autophosphorylation, the protein complex on the RTKs are activated and phosphate groups can now attach to the tyrosine. At this time, relay proteins can bind to the tyrosine phosphate area of the RTK. When this happens, the phosphates detach from the tyrosine and instead attach to the relay proteins. The relay protein has now been phosphorylated. After being activated by the addition of the phosphated group, the relay proteins are released. A relay protein can activate a cellular response or initiate a protein kinase transduction pathway that leads to a cellular response. Each kind of relay protein participates in a different cellular response. What's the significance? The activated protein kinase allows a regulation of proteins, which in return allows regulation of cell division. An example of this is insulin. Insulin is a protein hormone produced in the pancreas. It is secreted into the blood in response to excess glucose in the blood. Insulin, the signaling molecule, binds to the insulin receptor in RTK of target cells. Binding stimulates conformational changes that activate the receptor, which then trigger the formation of an RTK dimer and autophosphorylation. Then the complex binds to and phosphorylates an insulin response protein. This response protein, now activated, initiates several signaling cascades. In muscle cells, one cascade leads to glycogen synthesis for short-term energy storage. In fat cells, the pathway leads to triglyceride formation for long-term energy storage.